Reactiv Scribble gives you an infinite whiteboard with all sorts of really cool features. So for example, you're in a meeting, you type up or you discuss various action items, you come up with follow-on items, and you need an infinite whiteboard where I can switch through and talk about all sorts of ideas. So this keeps growing. I can zoom in, zoom out, but more importantly, I can also pin media. So I can take a Word document right here, I can put a PowerPoint object right over here, and I can create a layout because in a meeting, we might be doing things like this. Now, when I'm talking about documents, Reactiv has a very interesting feature where I can rip pages of a PowerPoint document or screenshots from a video and create almost a storyline. So I can take page after page, and create a storyboard where every page is separated out into a grid such that I can talk about, which is very difficult to do using digital documents because usually your computer only shows one page at a time. And second thing, if I have a list of items, I used to hate using whiteboards because let's say there's a 1A here and a 1B here. Very difficult to go ahead and add items into a list that you're writing. Well, Reactiv has very cool features where I can simply drag all that list down, add in 1A, add in 1B, or I can take all of this content right here, move that over, or take this, move that here. A lot of interesting ways that you can manipulate your content and organize information. Finally, Scribble has powerful pagination tools, so I can create a page right here. I can create another page break right here, and there's no restriction on page sizes. I can create a custom page all the way across. Oh, let me fix that right there. And export this to a PDF and save all the pages in their original aspect ratio with no loss. So now if I go back, you will see that, okay, that's today's. Oh, that's not that one. There we go. All that information is preserved right there in the document.